I spent 40 hours redesigning a Carcassonne box, so setup only takes 30 seconds instead of 10 minutes. Textured cobblestone, game labels, a fully modular Gridfinity system. I went too far. Let me show you. This is a stone and marble Gridfinity organizer. One base plate, 7 bins that snap in permanently, and 7 inserts that slide in and out during gameplay. So anyone at the table can grab their pieces without disturbing the rest of the box. Base game tiles have a home, the river expansion has its own bin, and all 6 meeple colors are covered right out of the box. Open the lid, lift the insert, start playing. Most 3D printed organizers are smooth black PLA, boring, functional, forgettable. Every surface on this thing is textured. The inserts have textured cobblestone on both faces, inside and out, so every angle you're looking at it from, you see the stone. The floors have a stone and gravel finish that look like weathered castle courtyard. This isn't a wrapper. It's built into the print. The labels are inlaid, not printed on top, not glued, not embossed. Ivory white PLA set flush to the colored labels. It reads like medieval inscription carved into rock. Every bin has its own inns, cathedrals, traders, builders, abbeys, and mayors, extra player pieces, you name it, it's all there. The whole thing runs on Gridfinity, the modular maker community standard. Bins snap permanently into the base plates. Inserts slide in and out during play. Every rim is color-coded so you can spot the one you need at a glance, even in dim lighting. And when your collection grows, because it will, the new expansion insert just drops in. Same footprint, same theme, nothing to redesign. I designed a matching add-on for almost every Carcassonne expansion. The big ones each get their own dedicated insert, like inns, cathedrals, traders, builders. And you even have your mini expansions, which are typically 4 to 8 tiles. That's covered as well. If you're interested in upgrading your setup, check out my Shopify or my Etsy store. Those links are in the description below.